So I wasn't going to miss out this year. I was going to get in on the Dollar Tree gardening supplies this year, and I was going to get in on it early. And maybe a little too early because there's only one Dollar Tree around me that's kind of like fully stocked on the gardening supplies, but yes, I'm ready. Okay, so to start, I did get a tomato trellis that is actually the perfect size for my small tomato plant, so I'm happy with it. I got this flexible tie for when, plants get a little bit crazy. Some gardening gloves in gray. I did get some saucers too. So the 6-inch saucepans come in a 6-pack. And the 8-inch plant saucers come in a 4-pack. And they had a 10-inch pack as well. Maybe it was a pack of 2 or something. I also got some starter pots. This is a 12-pack, and this is a 6-pack, 3.5 and 4.5 inch. And this is what they look like open. They're a little bit flimsy. Not a little bit, they are flimsy. But I mean, I don't care. I'm okay with that. I got this plastic wrap for when I'm starting seeds. And speaking of seeds, I got some because I plan on really taking creating a garden seriously, but I also want to create a dye garden. So first I'm going to show you all this sunflower citrus. I actually got this from the grocery store, not Dollar Tree, and I think it's so pretty. So I'm excited about this one. But the ones that I got from Dollar Tree, I got these Zinnia, the Giants of California mixed color, bachelor button in the blue, the Zinnia Giant Cactus mixed color. I got 2 packs of those. The Zinnia Semi-Dwarf Pomela mixed colors, Marigold, the Cracker Jacks mixed colors, the African Daisy Giant mixed colors, the French Dwarf double mixed colors. I showed y'all that one. I already opened that one. And the Zinnia Lilliput mixed colors. So this is what I'm going to start with because I'm still learning about some of the flowers you can use as far as natural dyes go. I also got these 2 boxes of seeds, Wildflower Blends. I love wildflowers. I love wildflowers. Got the hummingbird and the pollinator. I want to check because they do have, I wanted some sunflower seeds, but the ones at Dollar Tree are the mammoth. I don't want that. I want some little sunflowers. So if they do put out the hummingbird feed, I could have sworn I seen that at Dollar Tree. Then I want to get that because I know they'll have some sunflower seeds in there. But I'm going to check some of these to see if there's sunflowers in either of those. So I also got some terracotta clay pots. And I'm so mad at myself. I only got 3 of these. And when I went back, they were all gone except for 1 pack of broken ones. So yeah, I'm gonna have to check back on that. I did get some of the seed starting potting mix, which I was excited to get this year because I did not get it last year for whatever reason. It's a soilless mix for house plants, bulbs, cuttings, and seedlings. It has sphagnum, peat moss, vermiculite, perlite, and some other things in it, which I believe is just a wetting agent, which is probably just some, I read that wetting agent is probably powdered soap. So I got several bags of these along with the 8-pound bag of potting soil, which is a special potting blend for indoor and outdoor use, blended for proper drainage and support, as you can see here. I'm going to be doing a review, a first look. I've already looked at it, but so y'all can see what it looks like, just in case y'all want to purchase. I'm going to show y'all what the potting soil and the seed starting mix looks like in a separate video. I've already actually had to repot almost all of my plants with the seed starting mix because I'll talk about that in the next video. But yeah, so this was what I was most excited for. I got bags and bags and bags on these, and I'm not done. But that is all I've got so far. If y'all know of any other flowers that would be nice to grow or nice to dye with, please let me know in the comments. If you've seen something else that I should be on the lookout for as far as gardening supplies go, then let me know. I did want to note that so I am starting some seeds. I'm recycling my plastic water bottles and starting some seeds in plastic water bottles that I've cut up. But and that's why I got the plastic wrap, just to put over it. They're seed starting trays though. I wanted to get some, but I noticed that they took out, they didn't add the actual tray part. So it's just like it's just a whole tray and the cover, but there's no like dividing tray or whatever you call it. So I wanted to get that, but they changed how they made it this year, if y'all get what I mean. I know that I did not explain that properly, but thank you for watching. If I get any more gardening things, I will be back to show y'all. Thank you for watching.